Demystifying Phrasal Verb Particles. Crack the code. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving deeper into the world of phrasal verbs. If you've ever been stumped by expressions like turn on, look up, or give in, you're in the right place. Our focus for today is understanding and using phrasal verb particles. We'll look at the most common particles in phrasal verbs and how to use them to help you navigate everyday conversations more confidently. Let's get started with understanding what these particles are. A phrasal verb consists of a verb and a particle. The particle can be a preposition or an adverb, or sometimes both. These particles give additional meaning to the base verb, creating a new verb with a different meaning. For example, turn on, turn off, turn up, turn around. The verb turn is common in all these phrases, but the particles on, off, up, around give different meanings to each phrase. Now, let's dive into the most common particles in phrasal verbs. Some of these are up, down, on, off, in, out, around, about, and back. Let's see how the meaning of a verb changes when we add these particles. Up often suggests completion. For example, finish up, clean up. Down can mean reducing or lowering. For example, slow down, calm down. On could mean continuation or adherence. For example, keep on, hold on. Off may suggest separation or discontinuation. For example, break off, take off. In might mean inclusion or involvement. For example, join in, hand in. Out often implies exclusion or revelation. For example, leave out, find out. Around can indicate a change in direction or a spreading impact. For example, turn around, spread around. About might mean a distributed action or concern. For example, look about, worry about. Back usually implies a return to a previous state or position. For example, go back, give back. You've learned about the common particles and their general meanings, so now it's time to practice. Try creating your own sentences using the phrasal verbs we've just learned. Remember, the key to mastering phrasal verbs is practice and more practice. And that wraps up our deep dive into the common particles used in phrasal verbs. I hope this video has shed some light on how to understand and use these quirky elements of the English language. Remember, don't be afraid to experiment with these phrasal verbs in your everyday conversations. As always, keep practicing and I promise, English will become more and more accessible to you each day. Until next time, keep learning and happy studying.